name's Avian. I'm the operation manager here at La Caja. Over here, I'm going to show you the items that we have that come inside with the opening. So here you have the grease tray that goes inside the box. You got the chocolate grid which goes on top. You got the double racks right here, which the pigs go in between, or the meats go on top of. Over here you have the handles that go on the outside of the box, so you can move around the box, and that's what holds up the ashtray and the chocolate grid when you go to dispose of the ashes. Here you got the short and long aluminum frame, which goes on the upper lip of the box, which holds up the ashtray. This is the ashtray that seals the box and catches all the ashes that get released from the charcoal on top of the charcoal grid. Over here you have the bottom piece, which is the bottom part of the actual box. Here you have the long panels, and here you have the short panels. The short panels, these are two pieces instead of one, and actually they come with a wooden piece stapled together. All you do is you remove each of these wooden pieces, and this turns into a two-piece product. Here you have the wheels with the handles, and then here you have all the bolts, screws, and the S-hooks.